These days, we hear a lot about virtual autism. So, what exactly is this virtual autism and how it is different from autism spectrum disorder? Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by impaired social interaction, communication, and repetitive behavior. Virtual autism, on the other hand, is caused by environmental factors like excessive screen exposure and lack of social interaction. In this, the child shows symptoms like autism, but this is temporary and reversible. So, autism is largely neurobiological condition with strong genetic and neurological component, whereas the virtual autism is just due to environmental factors. In autism, the symptoms are usually present from infancy and they progresses and are more noticeable as the child progresses in age. Whereas in virtual autism, these symptoms are usually seen at the stage of 2 to 3 years when the language development is actually taking place. In autism, the speech and language development is usually delayed or deviant, which usually persists without therapy. Whereas in virtual autism, the speech delay is common, but that significantly improves if the environmental factors are controlled or the speech therapy is started at the right time. Autistic kids usually show ongoing challenges with social interactions, whereas in virtual autism, this can be significantly improved if environmental factors are controlled and therapy is started at the right time. Core repetitive behaviors like hand flapping, eye gaze persist for a longer time in autism, whereas in virtual autism, it reduces with stimulation and engagement diversify. So, autism requires structured long-term intervention such as speech therapy, behavioral therapy, educational support if required, occupational therapy. Whereas in virtual autism, the focus has to be mainly on reducing the screen time, improving the social interaction, monitoring the progress with the therapy if required.